Alright, in this video we'll learn how to create a web page and also how to save it. Now, first thing first, when you have opened your text editor, the very first thing you're going to do is, if you're using a Mac, then you click on File and then you click New. Okay, so this is how you create a document, but at the moment it is untitled. Okay, it means this has no title at all. So now I'm going to click on File and Save As. This is the folder where I want to save. So I'm going to save it as, let's say, index. Okay, could name it anything, but by default, you name HTML pages as index page. All right, and this is basically the extension. Now, it is very important to use .html extension so that the browsers can recognize the web pages and know how to interpret the markup that the HTML pages contain. And this basically is used for distinguishing web pages from plain documents. All right, so you have to mention HTML or HTML extension for your web pages. Now, it doesn't matter whether you use .html or HTML, but HTML is recommended because it's the more, let's say, common choice. So whichever you use, just be sure that you're consistent, because using the same extension will make it easier for you to remember your URLs later on. So now just click on Save button, and that's it. This is your first HTML page.